We are able to touch up, recolor, and restore old photographs or slides that have special meaning to you, enhancing them in a way that will bring them back to life. As you will see, even severely damaged photographs can be repaired. Being shown is a very old family photograph, which was torn and then taped back together numerous times. The tape had caused a great deal of discoloration, as well as physical damage to the actual finish of the photograph. The paper had become brittle. Repairs have been made in all these areas, and the overall tint was slightly adjusted. Beyond basic restoration, it is also possible to make dramatic alterations to photographs. In the following illustration, for example, you are able to see the steps taken to produce a family portrait that formerly did not exist. The background of this portrait is made up of two photographs previously clipped and pieced together. The two clips are then fused, and then a right shoulder is constructed to show overlap. Two foreground photographs taken from a different time and place complete the family. Applying necessary touch-up work, we then proceed to build a portrait consisting of all four subjects. After further repair work, we change the tint, producing a more contemporary look to the final photograph. This example offers another illustration of a subject being placed into an entirely new and unique environment. He is removed from the original photograph and superimposed over another. Many other special effects can be created using your favorite photographs. Use your imagination. Tell us what you want, and we will do our best to make it happen.